Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Foreclosure Help 777, where we talk about everything foreclosure related. Today we're going to give you an update on Sabrina's case. Let's take a look at the docket. Her case is in the Eastern District of Missouri. To find her case, you just have to go to the e-file, and here it is. There's the case number 423CV01332, and you can look at all these motions that were filed. Today we're going to talk about the latest and greatest development. As you can see that if you look at her case, there was something filed on 12/19 called a motion to quash. And if you go back, you'll see that the clerk entered an entry for default on 11/28. So the motion to quash is the entry of default by New American Funding. Since they didn't file to the response in time, they're trying to now quash the entry of default. So let's take a look at what they filed. Okay, that's the plaintiff. Okay, so this is what they filed. New American Funding, doing business as, or it says formerly known as Broker Solutions, doing business as New American Funding, erroneously named as New American Funding, doing business as Broker Solutions, Inc., motion to quash service of process. They're going to claim that they weren't properly served, but y'all know that's bogus, right? She did properly serve them. This is their excuse. Comes now defendant New American Funding, LLC, formerly known as Broker Solutions, doing business as New American Funding, erroneously named as New American Funding, doing business as Broker Solutions, hereinafter New American Funding, by and through counsel moves this court to quash service of process on defendant New American Funding, pursuant to Federal Rules of Civil Procedure 4H1B, in support thereof, plaintiff states following. On October 23rd, plaintiff filed her verified complaint for quiet title against defendants New American Funding, doing business as Broker Solutions, Inc., and Midland Mortgage. Defendant New American Funding was incorrectly named as New American Funding, doing business as Broker Solutions, Inc. New American Funding has never operated business under the name of New American Funding, doing business as Broker Solutions. Plaintiff alleges that she served the defendant New American Funding at 14511 Myford Road, Suite 100, Tustin, California 92780 on November 3rd, 2023. Sylvia Pio is a paralegal for New American Funding and does not qualify as an officer, managing, or general agent or any other agent authorized by appointment or law to receive service of process. A managing agent is one authorized to transact all business in particular kind of particular place, must be fully vested with powers, blah, blah, blah. They're saying that Sylvia Pio is not authorized to act as an agent, is the bottom line here. So they're saying for the foregoing reasons, service on New American Funding was improper, should be quashed, and the entry of default entered against it should be stricken. Wherefore, defendant New American Funding respectfully prays that its motion to quash service of process is granted and the entry of default entered on November 28, 2023 be stricken, and for such other and further relief as the court deems just and proper. And look who is the attorneys, Logs Legal Group. You can see they're all there and where they're located. Certificate of service. Yeah, they had to send her a copy of this as well, but she found it in the docket first. So anyway, so basically they filed this on the 19th, and she has to file a opposition to their motion to quash, which is what she just did. And you can see that was filed on the 21st. That was yesterday. Okay, so she filed this in the court yesterday. Plaintiff's opposition to defendant's Broker Solution, doing business as New American Funding, motion to quash. Comes now, plaintiff, Sabrina Kohler, pro se, does hereby file the following to oppose the defendant's motion to quash service of process as follows. Plaintiff filed a summons and complaint against Broker Solutions, doing business in New American Funding, on October 23, 2023. Defendant states on number 2 of their motion to quash the following. Defendant, New American Funding, was incorrectly named as New American Funding, doing business with Broker Solutions. Plaintiff states that the party has always been Broker Solutions, doing business as New American Funding. Plaintiff has attached a 1098 tax statement as proof, hereto as Exhibit A. See how their name appears in the left-hand corner of the 1098. Compare that with the name on the summons, which is on the docket on October 27, 2023. The defendant's argument that service of process was insufficient because the company's name was wrong is therefore without merit. Plaintiff sent a copy of the summons and complaint via certified mail, return receipt number, and there's the number, which was delivered on October 27, 2023. See proof of receipt, copy attached hereto as Exhibit B. Defendant was served personally by Michael Mayer of ABC Process Servers on November 3, 2023. The affidavit of proof of service states that Sylvia Pia was designated by law to accept service of process on behalf of New American Funding. Plaintiff argues that defendant Broker Solutions, doing business New American Funding, was given proper service of process by being served both personally and by certified mail. Defendant's motion to quash stated that Sylvia Pia was not an authorized agent to accept service. However, they failed to state the name, address, and the person that is authorized to accept service. Their argument thus fails. Wherefore, plaintiff prays this court will deny the defendant's motion to quash. Their arguments of improper name and improper service are without merit. The entry of default should therefore not be stricken. Respectfully submitted, Sabrina Kohler. And certificate of service. She's got to send a copy of this to the other side. Okay, Exhibit A. Exhibit A is the annual tax and interest statement, which shows exactly how they're. See, it says Broker Solutions, Inc., doing business as New American Funding. It does not say formerly known as. So, and that's that. And then Exhibit B. This is the proof of service sent by certified mail and the date that they received that. See, it was October 27th when they got it. And then the proposed order, which accompanies this, basically states, and now this blank day of blank, upon consideration of the defendant's Broker Solution, doing business as New American Funding, motion to quash, and plaintiff's opposition to motion to quash, it is hereby ordered that the defendant's motion to quash is denied. A proposed order is always a good thing in these cases. Okay, so that's that, guys. And anytime the other side files a motion to quash, you always have to file a response to that. And this is what we're talking about here today, guys. I hope everybody has a good Christmas and a good weekend. And if you have any questions, you can always send me an email. My email address is foreclosurehelp777@gmail.com, or you can join us on my Facebook page. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll try to help you as much as I can. And hope everyone has a wonderful day.